Today, let's talk about beauty. What do you think is beautiful? A piece of good clothing on a piece of good body? Or beautiful eyes, beautiful lips, beautiful body, beautiful hands, beautiful legs, beautiful nails? What is beauty to you? Beautiful soul, beautiful appearance, beautiful personality, beautiful voice? I think that it's all perspectives. Some people will look beautiful to some people will look ugly to some people. I know beauty matters. I know people judge you on based on your look or based on your personality, but at the end of the day, it's not just about making people feel that you're beautiful. It's all about making yourself feel that you're beautiful. It's not about that why I'm getting dressed because um, that lehenga or that piece of clothing is liked by someone else. Why? Like, I want to feel beautiful the way I am, not the way other people wants me to. If I feel like doing this thing, I'll do that only. If I feel like wearing that jewelry, I'll do that only. If I feel like um, doing some kind of makeup, I'll do that only. Why do you want other people to decide beauty for you? I don't get this. How someone else can decide what is beauty for you? Your beauty is inside of you. Even if the physical beauty matters, still the beauty is inside of you. It's about what you like wearing, how you love to present yourself. It's about how your personality is genuinely, authentically. What is your personality? That is beauty. Not doing something that other people want you to do. That is not beauty. That is just satisfying other people's thoughts, or like satisfying other people's opinions in, or imposing them on you. That is not beauty. That is compromise. Again, that is compromise on yourself because you wanted other people to choose the answer for you. Beauty is not what other people are trying to impose on you. Beauty is what you genuinely feel, the colors that you want to wear, the materials that you want to wear, and the feeling of those beautiful pieces of clothes. You are already beautiful the way you are. It's just the judgments of other people that keeps telling you that you could improve, you could do better. But in the eyes of God, in the eyes of the person who really genuinely loves you, you will be always beautiful. You will always be the most beautiful person in their eyes. And you don't have to do a lot then. You just have to be there, just have to breathe there, and they will feel that you're just the most loving and beautiful person in the whole world. So for society you can do that, but for yourself, like not for society but for, it's just that the beauty is inside you. And don't focus on what other people are saying. Just love yourself, and don't set standards based on what other people are saying.